Today I'm going to Baath because I got a job there. So there is no British guy there, and I'm very happy. Yeah. Let me find how to get to Baath. Hello, mate. Excuse me.
Right, mate.
You are again. Shit, man. Shit. No, you go. You go. How to find? Excuse me. How to get to Baath?
Huh?
Baath.
What?
Baath.
What?
No? Baath.
It's Barf, innit?
Buff? You are saying buff?
Pronounce Barf, innit?
What are you saying again? Can you repeat it? Can you speak again?
Barf, innit?
Buff?
What?
Where is the F? Where is the F? I'm talking about where is the F? So I'm not going to Baath, I'm going to Barf. Barf is here at the end. Or it's straight, okay.